Students, Nirmala here. Now we will come to the next topic, women and revolution. This is a picture of women on their way to Versailles Women's Club. From the very beginning, women were active participants in the events to brought about important changes in French society. In order to discuss and voice their interest and to improve their lives, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. As we have seen that when there was a war between France and Prussia, Austria, at that time, different clubs were formed. Out of these clubs, one important club was Jacobin Club, and there were several women's clubs were formed which raised voice for the improvement in women's lives. There are 60 women clubs in different cities, and among them the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women was the most famous one. Struggle for political rights. We know that nowadays we are having right to vote. We means women are having right to vote, but in the starting, when people get right to vote, at that time women were the passive citizen. They did not get the right to vote. So women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizen. Passive citizens means the citizen who did not have the right to vote, to be represented in the new government and to enjoy the same political right as men. Same political, whenever we talk about the political right, right to vote is the first and the most important political right. They demanded the right to vote. Number one, there three demands were there. First demand was the right to vote. Second was to be elected to the assembly, and the third one is to hold political office. If they are elected to the assembly, then they must be given portfolio as well. During the reign of terror, women's clubs were closed and their political activities were banned. Robespierre's policy was very severe and he was like a dictator, so he banned all the political or all the women's club. French women's movements for voting rights and equal wages inspired an international suffrage movement. When uh, in the early times there was a movement for voting rights, that movement is known as the suffrage movement. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. Means they were fighting for the right to vote from the 1791, but they get right to vote in 1946 only, after nearly 150 years. Now, what was or how was the life of women before the revolution? Before the revolution, women had to work hard for a living and their wages were lower than those of men. Means they were getting wages, low wages. They did not have access to education or job training. Working women had also to care for their families. If women was working, uh, then they had to take care of their families as well. After revolution, schooling was made compulsory for all girls, means girls were able to go to school. Marriage was made into a contract, entered into freely and registered under civil law. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैरिज स्टार्ट हो गई और देयर मैरिज हैज़ टू बी रजिस्टर्ड मैरिज nowadays is also prevalent, marriage in court. Divorce was made legal for both men and women. Earlier, it was not legal for women to file for a divorce. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists, or run small businesses. Earlier, we have seen that women were earning very little and they did not had the access to education and job training. Allegory of liberty. Now, first of all, we will understand what allegory is. Allegory is the figure given to the idea. And for freedom and liberty, allegory is always women. This is one of the rare paintings by a woman artist. The revolutionary events made it possible for women to train with established painters. Now, after revolution, women were uh, free to get training and they were able to train with the established painters and to exhibit their works in the salon, which was an exhibition held after every 2 years. The painting is a female allegory of liberty, that is, the female form symbolizes the idea of freedom. As in our country, also, we are having our allegory that is in the name of Bharat Mata. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's all for today.